Hello Scorpio, welcome to my channel. This is your December monthly career, business and money reading. So these are general readings, not all messages might resonate with all of you, so keep whatever resonates. Now, in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself, Scorpio, in this month, in terms of your business, career or job situation, and what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can handle it wisely. So this is based on your sun sign and moon signs. You could check the other video as well. So let's start, Scorpio. 3 shuffles. Angels and universe, spirits and guides. You can check the in-depth, weekly readings that I post. So this is just a general idea what's coming in December. So spirits and guides, universe, angels and guides, please. Angels and guides, spirits and guides, please guide, please guide. Last shuffle, angels and guides, spirits and guides. Page of Wands, great. The Hierophant. Ace of Wands with the 5 of Swords. 2 of Wands with the 8 of Pentacles. 9 of Wands with the Temperance. So Scorpio, it seems, with this Page of Wands, there is an opportunity, there is a, opportunity coming to you for some of you here in December month here. So, or you will be starting off with a new project, something new you are starting. It's more of creative in nature. It is a creative nature, You could just start off with a new idea in your job situation, a new project to deal with. It could also be a new job for some of you here, a new business venture which is creative, which requires creativity. It comes here. So definitely, and it could be home based also, it could be home based for some of you here, or with an organization with this card. It could be home based. It could be home based, or with a company it's renowned, company which works the traditional way, the traditional way. These companies, or with a person, who are renowned, renowned person, a person who has, seen success, has grown with who's spiritual, who has traditional thoughts, traditional way of growth, who believes in growing the traditional way, who believes in religion and culture. So you either could be starting a project with this person, or an organization here, that's which will lead you to success. That's what I get here. So some negotiations, some talks, communication happening regarding this here, and it will materialize for some of you here. Yeah, so these are higher authority. It could be the MD, Chief Executive Officer, of the Managing Director of the company. You are, of the higher hierarchy, with whom you will be dealing with. There will be exchanges regarding a project, a venture, or anything, something creative here. Again, you have an Ace of Wands, and so this is another situation. There is like, maybe you want to start off a new project in business, I feel here, or even in office. It could be so this is one scenario. Is this, there is a lot of competition here that you should understand. This is for life. It will be highly competitive field in which you want to venture out. The second one is that, maybe there will be conflicts, chaoses caused by people around you here with whom you work. This is a card of drama, like, voicing out opinions, talking, but everybody trying to putting their own opinions, so that, but there will be no solution to that. This is that's what it tells, that this is just like a conflict or chaos, creating a chaotic atmosphere with no solution with this 5 of Wands card here. So there could be your person not, giving their opinion as why this won't work, or why this is gonna work. Multiple opinions coming from people against your, against the way you think. That's what I get. It could also be some office politics, you being pulled into office politics. Basically it's like making a mountain out of a mole. So this is the situation here. Do not listen to everybody here. Use your own intuition. Get if it needed, get advice from somebody who a person who has experience, and not falling to so many people's opinions and their yeah. So this is what I get here. So they intentionally cause this drama. Now the second is Two of Wands. So I feel you have made lot of genuine accomplishments, achievement here. This is something, a new add-on, maybe in your business, your new something new you want to try, in your business, or with this ace, it comes after Ace of Wands. That's why something you want to venture out, so you will need to travel. You have to leave your comfort zone. So leaving your comfort zone, taking a lead on things, and you might need to travel for this. It could be in your work situation, or it could be a totally new place or a totally new experience. Leaving your comfort zone, taking a lead for success, for growth. That's what with this Two of Wands card you have here. Eight of Pentacles. You have been putting a lot of hard work, and you will be still be working hard with this Eight of Pentacles. So it's a card of hard work. Here, working towards your goals, working towards your target, that you have set for yourself. So this is it. Some of you will be, shopping something expensive for yourself or your family here. Luxury purchases, that's what I get here. You are filled with happiness, gaiety, joy. This is the month, year end, and you are in a content. You have that, you're contented. That's what I feel here with the whatever bank balance you have right now, whatever investments that you have made. Your skills, talents, and determination will only push you towards further success, further growth. You are in that kind of energy here. Any challenge that will be thrown to you, you will deal with it in the best way possible. Nothing is unattainable for you in this period. That's what I get as Scorpio. You have been working hard, so being with family, friends, party, gaiety, joy, it's a relief for you, from the stress that has been caused by a lot of hard work. You will be enjoying end December and with being together with family, friends, party, having good time. That's what I get here. Now for some of you who are still into situations which have not been great, you're still stuck, you're feeling stuck in a bad job, bad business situation here, it could be because these are general messages here. Overall, it's a lot of happiness, lot of contentment, lot of gaiety, that's what. But this is for very few of you. If you're still stuck, you're hurt, you're wounded, you are still wondering when is your situation going to change here. So here comes the Temperance card here. You have worked, you have been holding on, standing boldly, facing your obstacles in a very bold way. Be there, just hang in there, Scorpio. This is a card of balance, patience, going with the flow, and do not try and do try to work on new ideas, new things, the same thing doing in a new way. That's what trying out things differently is gonna help you come out of this situation here. Trying out something, because here also you can see here, so this this angel, she is mixing with wine and water and trying to create something new. So you have to try different things here, different ways, so that you will see that and with patience, balance, going with the flow will help you face this situation boldly if you feel stuck. So here I see Eight of Pentacles. So wherever you have put a new Page of Wands, Ace of Wands. So money with the Hierophant card, also inheritance money coming in for some of you here, family inheritance money or money from family businesses. Also it of the hard work that you put in, the investments that you made, from the stock market, from leases, bonds, rentals, buying, selling, anything that you put in here, money is coming from there. So this, I will just pull out an angel guidance card. in-depth readings you can see in the weeklies, Scorpio, for the December month. So let's start here. Enlightenment. So very nice card. Pursue spiritual growth. Pursue spiritual growth. This is the first card. And good fortune. So very nice cards. Invite magic in. Very beautiful, Scorpio. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.